In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new client. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, what to type, and how to confirm everything is safely saved so your records stay clean and organized. First, start by navigating to the Clients area. Look for a section in your main navigation labeled Clients. It's often on the left-hand sidebar or across the top, depending on your layout. Clicking Clients opens the central hub where all existing client records live. You'll typically see a list view along with search and filtering options. This is your home base for client management and where you'll add, view, and later update client information. Next, select New Client. This button usually appears near the top of the page, above the list, or in a prominent location so it's easy to find. Clicking New Client opens a clean form where you'll enter the information for the person or organization you're adding. Think of this form as the starting profile for that client, which you can build on over time. Now, enter the client details. Take your time here. Fill in the required fields first. These are typically marked with an asterisk, so you don't run into validation messages when you save. Use consistent formatting for names and addresses, and keep your entries accurate and complete. If there's a notes or description field, use it to capture helpful context, such as how you met the client or any preferences they've shared. Keep data professional and relevant, and avoid pasting anything private or unnecessary. A quick proofread goes a long way. Check for typos, make sure values are in the correct fields, and confirm that any drop-down selections reflect what you intend. Consistency at this stage will make reporting, searching, and filtering much easier later. When everything looks good, click Save. This commits the information to your system and creates the new client record. You should see a confirmation, a success message, or be redirected to the client's profile page. To verify, glance at the client's list and confirm the new entry appears as expected, with the correct name and details visible at a glance. And that's it. Client added. To recap, open Clients, choose New Client, enter the details carefully, then click Save. Keeping your data structured and consistent from the start will make your entire workflow smoother, your reports more reliable, and future follow-ups a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.